Hello, Mr. Daniel.
Hello, Mr. Naresh.
Have a seat. Good morning, Mr. Daniel.
Good morning, Mr. Naresh.
Thanks for coming here today. How may I help you today?
We are looking for new CNC milling machine because we are about to expand our production line. So we need a machine that can produce high precision and quality model.
That's great to hear. Would you like to hear about our latest model just came in, which is VMC 600X, which can use to produce automotive parts. It is also capable of producing engine blocks and cave brackets with excellent accuracy.
Sound impressive. What the main advantage of this machine compared to others?
VMC 600X offers high cutting speed, tight tolerance, automatic operation. It can reduce your production time up to 40% while maintaining in top quality.
That's exactly what we need. Quality and consistency are very important for our customer in this automotive industry.
Absolutely. The machine is also easy to program and supports multi-materials like steel and aluminium. Both are commonly used for car parts, or if your company using any other type of material also, it's suitable to use it also.
Oh, I see. What type of programming that does this machine do?
The programming involves using G code and M code, but in G code there's two types, which is G90 and G91. So in those codes, they normally use this XY panels, which is precise for the coordinates when they're cutting. So it gives more accurate and precise. So you no need to worry about any errors happening in your workpiece. Also there's also multi-type of exists. You can either use X, Y or Z, or you want to use all three of them. No need to worry. They'll take care of you.
To confirm that CNC milling machine is better than manual milling machine.
Yes, CNC milling machine saves your time, your money, your energy, as it doesn't require any human energy. Just keep on working until you stop it. So once you upload those G and N codes, it will just keep on repeating the process. Meanwhile, in manual, you need someone to monitor, a high experienced person to keep an eye on the machine, because in most likely manual is able to happen errors, but CNC not possible. If it happen, it probably because of the G codes. With CNC, a company like yours, CNC is a better option, because production line increase, time reduce, and energy reduce. So if you ask my opinion, CNC is better.
Can you show me the machine?
Sure, sir. Let's follow me. This is a CNC milling machine. This is the decoy. We have new ones at the warehouse. As you see, this is the key panel. This is where we input our G and M code. Once that, at the top, there's a spindle. We lock with the work tool bit. At the bottom is where we lock with our workpiece. Once you've done that, we just start and we start processing.
Very nice. The design looks interesting and highlighted. I like it.
This is the latest version, MEC 600X. This is actually bridge supported by USA.
Thank you for showing me that machine, Mr. Naresh. I like the way that you described me about that machine. I will send my assistant to you for the demonstration.
It's my pleasure, sir. I appreciate your comments. Sure, I will assist your assistant and share me your Gmail. I will send any details about the machine. If anything, keep me updated, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Naresh.
Thank you, Mr. Daniel.